Here's why Jesus is God. When Adam and Eve sinned against an extremely holy God, that extreme sin could only be redeemed or atoned through an extreme system, and that would be by either eliminating them or using extreme reverse punishment, i.e., he would suffer on our behalf. That's how God is. It's called infinite love, extreme love. So God, Jesus, is the Redeemer. He made the reparation, the expiation, the atonement, the full payment of the penalty. If you believe that Jesus died for you and has risen, you're saved. If you don't, you're saved as well. But first, you'll have to pass through a fireless hell for a certain period of time. In the Bible, there are 333 verses concerning the divinity of Christ. Do your homework and find out. Check it out. Google it. Google deity of Christ, or is Jesus God, or divinity of Christ, and start studying. It's a vital thing for the afterlife. There are many prophecies in the Old Testament that were later fulfilled in Jesus. Statistically, a very difficult thing to occur. Those verses are the genuine bit of the Bible, the part inspired by the Holy Spirit. A soldier goes to war, willing to die, so his nation might live. Similarly, God became flesh and passed through a war in this world. He was willing to die, so his nation, i.e. his people, might live with him in heaven forever. Glory to the eternal Creator of all, Jesus. If you have any question, send me an SMS to my cell phone number in Rome, Italy, and the number is +39 380 777 0333. And thanks for the questions and the offerings, which are starting to roll in. Visit also my website, fredzaccaria.it. You can also email me, fredzaccaria@gmail.com. And if you would like to make a donation or an offering, go to paypal.me/fredzaccaria. Thank you very much for your attention. God bless you and your family. I pray for you.